Hey, what's up? Are you searching for attraction marketing training? Don't skip this video because I'm going to show you exactly how I just ranked a video #1 in literally 1 second. So hey, my friend, my name is Justin Temple. Please like, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell notifications for future videos on attraction marketing, network marketing, MLM, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online, specifically in your business. Okay, a lot of people try to company switch people. I'm actually a consultant. I can actually help you with your business. Surprise, surprise. Okay, so let me go ahead and get into attraction marketing training. Okay, so before we get into this, your results will not be typical or guaranteed. However, let me show you. I just posted this video literally just now. It doesn't have a time on it. I think there's somewhere where you can find the time it was uploaded. But anyways, I just now uploaded it, and then I was like, okay, let me see where it's ranked. And then if I go here and I search attraction marketing for dummies, okay, I'm ranked #1, and I posted it 7 minutes. See, there's where you can see it 7 minutes ago. So I'm ranked #1 in seconds for attraction marketing for dummies. So how do I do? Now look at this. This channel has 41,000 views 3 years ago. Big rock star in this industry. I ranked above her instantly. Huge channel. Big leader. Okay, this is the company, MLSP. Massive. MLSP. I'm ranking above MLSP for keywords. How? By following attraction marketing. So, let me show you exactly what I did to make this video and to rank it. Okay? Like, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell notifications. So, what I did, well, what I do is a YouTube channel. So what I did, okay, I got a view on it now. Let me see if I have any more views on it. Real quick. But anyways, so what you do is you find a topic that you want to make videos about. Okay, so whatever your business is about, okay, I got 2 views now. So so this is attraction marketing. Okay, so you want to learn attraction marketing training? Here you fucking go. Okay, so what I do is I go to YouTube. All right, you want to know how stupid you are with traffic generation? Watch, I'm going to prove how retarded you are with fucking traffic generation. Okay, so let's say you want to sell multi-level marketing, right? Okay. So what you're going to do is just go to YouTube and search whatever you want to promote, industry, niche, and then you're going to get a bunch of keywords. Okay, so you can make a bunch of videos on these keywords. Now, multi-level marketing is kind of a really specific topic, but you can make videos about that. We could go to network marketing, and we got network marketing business, network marketing training, course, motivation, tips, pro, okay, motivational video. So you can make videos on that. Okay, so what I do is I take this, I'll take this keyword right here, network marketing business, and then I'll copy it, and I'll put it over in Uber Suggest. Okay, so this Uber Suggest tool is really cool. So I can just go ahead and put, you know, whatever I find on YouTube, I'm just going to go and put it in here just to see if there's anything else. Okay, so this will give you some examples. So let me go and do this real quick. It might take a second for it to load. I guess not. So 480 searches, and then let's see the additional keywords that we have on here. So really what I'm doing is I'm trying to find the keyword that I can make a video about based off of my knowledge. Do I know how to talk about what is network marketing business? Whoops, I didn't mean to click on it. Let me go back real quick. But anyways, so what you want to do is find keywords that you can actually talk about, and that's it. And as you keep growing, as you keep building your skills in the industry, as you keep, go back. Okay, so as you keep learning, as you keep listening to audios, as you keep reading, as you keep doing stuff, you're going to be able to talk more about these topics. Multi-level marketing business model. It's actually a really good one. I've actually never seen that keyword before. So I'm going to actually look into that one more. Maybe you should look into that one because I'm going to, right? So the competition's really high on it, but I know multi-level marketing is a very low competitive keyword industry or keyword niche. So anything with multi-level marketing and then anything after that is pretty low competition. Anything MLM is also low competition. When you start getting into network marketing, it's going to be more competitive. And then affiliate marketing is even way more competitive than network marketing. So when you get into affiliate marketing, that's kind of where you're encompassing all of the programs where you can make money from kind of anything or make anything. So it's kind of a big general topic to talk about, which is affiliate marketing. But you can niche it down to network marketing, multi-level marketing, direct sales, offline marketing. So in my channel, one of the things that I started with was offline marketing programs. So that way I was able to rank really easily and there was no competition because they're all offline marketers. So I went in with videos and I do pretty well with it, okay? So this is attraction marketing training. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell notifications for future videos. So you're just going to find a keyword, can networking. Obviously there's keywords that you don't want to use. And also there's keywords that are misspelled. Make videos about the misspelled keywords because most people don't. I don't. So if you do, you'll probably get some traffic. So just things to keep in mind. Okay, so what you're going to do is just find a keyword that you can make a video about. A 5, 10, 15-minute video about. Okay? And that's it. Let's say you can make a video about multi-level marketing business model. And you know about the multi-level marketing business model. And you can also explain the difference between a binary compensation plan or a direct compensation plan. And you can be like, you know, some programs are, you know, direct payment up front. Some payments are split commission or, you know, through the back end. So you can just explain the differences between a binary compensation plan versus a matrix versus this or that. So just gather knowledge and start making videos about these topics, okay? I don't know why this keeps showing up. But anyways, so after you're gonna find a topic, you're gonna make a video about it. Okay, so I'm making a video about network marketing training, right? Because I just made this video, posted it 10 minutes ago, and it's ranked #1. So I want to show you how I do that with this network, with this affiliate, with this attraction marketing training video. So again, the first step is to find keywords to make videos about that you're somewhat knowledgeable about to be able to talk about it. And then what you're going to do after that is make the video like this, right? So I use a free tool called Screencast-O-Matic, and it has an ugly watermark at the bottom of the page, or the bottom of the video, which is fine, whatever. People can't click on it, so that's, you know, that's what makes it fine. But okay, cool. So we're gonna make a video about this. Okay, let's find a video about network marketing business model. Okay, and when we're done, we're gonna post it onto our YouTube channel. So now we can see that I've got literally over 250 videos doing this strategy. Okay, so this is all I do, and this is how I get leads, traffic, and sales. So here, you can scroll down. It's got all these keyword videos. Okay, and go over here. So I just make videos on keywords. All right, my friends. So now, how do you actually learn how to do attraction marketing, and what is the best place to get attraction marketing training, and how did I actually build my YouTube channel and learn how to do this skill? Well, actually, when you click the first link in the description below, justinleontemple.com, okay, you're going to have the opportunity to get started with the Home Business Academy for only $25 per month. And for $25 per month, I use this tool to actually build capture pages and funnels for all the programs that I ever join. So this is a universal tool and program that I use for all of the other programs. So that's why I love this, and this helps you promote anything. That's what's beautiful about the HBA, is it's a universal program not to help you promote HBA, but to help you promote HBA and anything else. Okay, so we have training in here to go into ClickBank, find products in ClickBank, and then use the HBA funnel builder to build a funnel for that ClickBank product, and then we use premium to get traffic, leads, and sales. So it's a really, really awesome program if you want to learn how to do attraction marketing. All of the products, everything makes sense. There's nothing weird in this program. Like, it's not like a funnel builder tool and then they're selling you like a $10,000 coaching mastermind retreat. Like, no. It's real training, real tools, step-by-step coaching, and you also get 24/7 coaching and help within this program. So it's really the best place for new marketers. Okay, so we have coaching every single day, right here, Monday through Friday, TNC Action Mastermind, where you can actually go live with the owner on the webinar, the co-owners, and they'll do their marketing in front of you, and you can do it with them. They'll literally send an email out and type it out in front of you, and it takes 10-15 minutes, and they even ask the community, hey, is there anything else I should do with this email? It kind of looks good. Oh, okay, we'll do that. Okay, sweet, send it out. Boom. And then they'll show you the results that they're getting, with the email and stuff like that. And then you can also ask questions, and they'll just go. It's just a complete, awesome, open community to learn and do attraction marketing. So it's only $25 per month. Get your money back if you want. I'm a real coach, a real sponsor, a real mentor. I call people that join my team. I give them real steps on how to proceed through whatever program I'm with and actually how to help them succeed, okay? So this is how I do attraction marketing and how I learn how to do attraction marketing for my business is the Home Business Academy, HBA Premium. We're going to go to Get Traffic Free and then YouTube Ranking. So we have all these free traffic methods. All right, so I like the YouTube ranking right here. Whoops. Okay, so boom, right there. So YouTube, big picture, search engine optimization basics, YouTube channel strategy, YouTube channel setup, okay, keyword research. So they're gonna go more into how to do keyword research. They're going to go more into video tools and equipment, 14 video creation tips, bulletproof 4-step YouTube video formula, okay? So really, really detailed training. There's actually 15 videos total. Basic editing, reducing your file size, very important for ranking and speed as well. So they really take you through everything, upload and optimize, how to create and add attractive video thumbnails, and etc., adding cards, publishing and syndication. So how do you actually syndicate your videos and get them seen and ranked? So this is how I actually go ahead and rank my videos. So then I do a few more things as well, like I just index, but I mean, that's really it. So, I can give you like one additional tip on top of this, and that's really it. Advanced ranking with paid backlinking options, okay? Strategy plan and YouTube Master Action Checklist. All right, so really, really good attraction marketing training for YouTube, okay? Now, we also have attraction marketing training for Facebook. Simple, free, unlimited leads with Facebook. There's a few different, LinkedIn right here, podcasting, blogging, so really the main strategies that you're going to be able to successfully use, okay, in attraction marketing. We also have conversion training as well. Okay, so you can get 2 weeks of HBA Premium 100% for free by clicking the link down below, okay, justinleontemple.com. So I hope you enjoyed this attraction marketing training video and how to actually do marketing successfully. You're going to go ahead and find keywords, make videos on those keywords, post them to your YouTube channel, and do a few specific things that you're going to learn inside of the HBA Academy to get them to rank, okay? So thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell notifications for future attraction marketing videos. I hope you got value from this attraction marketing training video. Go and click the links down below right now and ask me anything if you need help with your current business, and I will be able to help you with what you're currently building. So go ahead and reach out to me, click the links down below, and I'll be happy to help you. Have a wonderful day.